Nadine Lustre didn't enter a love team, no? She walked into a national emotional hostage situation. Let's be real, no? Jadine wasn't just a love team. It was a system.
Kilala ko ang mga paang to eh. May flowers. Baka this is the moment. This is it. This is it. This is it.
TV shows, check.
Magkatabi ba kayo natutulog?
Sa shoot, ganun.
Movies, check.
Hey ba?
Mall shows kung saan marami nahimatay, check. You know what sets them apart? Yung whole JD na yun is, hindi kasi siya pabebe.
Allowed ka nang mag-sleep over kay Nadine at saka ikaw ba, Nadine, okay lang sa'yo mag-sleep over kay James?
Walang iyak-iyak na parang, mahal mo ba ako? Wala ring babae na umikot yung mundo sa lalaki. Like Nadine stood her freaking ground, tahimik, kalmado, at hindi naghahabol. Kaya gumana yung JD kasi there was this level of equality between both of them.
Hello po. Cheesy bacon mushroom yum. Special po ngayon eh.
They look like an old couple, no? Na parang they just chose each other. Ayun, alam mo yun, yung charming na yung ganun eh. And not one woman or man getting chosen. Like, nagliligawan lang talaga sila.
To ask you something. I'll be going again soon. So I wanted to ask you if...
Kaya feeling ko, baliw na baliw yung mga tao noon. Gets? Kasi for once, love looked healthy. Kaya nung nabuo yung fantasy na yun, like it wasn't just your regular TV love team. Para na siyang naging relationship ng bayan, no? At si Nadine, like sumasabay lang tayo sa agos ng kanyang relasyon. Ganda.